For this video today, I will be showing you guys how to make beaded bracelets. This is an adult size to fit a 7-inch or 7.5-inch wrist. This is how it looks when it's on. What you'll need is the beads that you're going to be using, and 1 inch of stretch magic, and some scissors. I also have this bead board that I got from Michael's. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the thread how long I need it to be and go a little bit over. And I'm going to figure out which beads that I'm going to use. That's the hard part, figuring out what pattern are you going to use. Actually, I'm going to make a kid-size bracelet, or a toddler size, and that wrist is 4 inches. So I cut about 10 inches for the string and stretch it a little bit. I'm going to use some of these colorful ones. I may use silver with it. So I'm going to take some. Use white. So what you do is get the beads that you're going to use and figure out what pattern you want to go by. So I'll probably to every other. And this is for a toddler size. About 4 inches. Well, for a baby. And I'm going to use put some silver in between. I'll probably just put it in between. So once you figure out your bead pattern, you're going to take your string that you cut. This string is about 10 inches for a toddler / baby arm. What I'm going to do is take my design and put it on. And then once you got your design on here, you're just going to take it and tie a knot a couple of times. Tug a little bit. And then you want to cut the hanging strings. Cut the hanging string as close as you can get. And there you have it. Little bracelet. And you can add little bracelet. There you have it. And you can add charms onto it, like this one right here. You add charms onto it. Here's another one. And there you have it. All done. And here's another one. You can add charms onto it. And here's a bigger one. This is the adult size one. You can do a lot of different things with it. And here's another charm you can add onto it. And there you have it. This is what the bracelet looks like when it's on. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, a thumbs up. See you at the next video. Bye.